Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine. We've had many of these come through. We've had really good customer feedback with them. This is an Ermak CNC press brake, 176 tons by 12 foot. It's a 2006 machine. It's in nice condition. Everything runs really smooth. Simple controller here. You have a 2D graphical controller. You have an R-axis CNC, meaning the back edge will not only go back and forth, but it also goes up and down, so you can program all that in there. Right now we have it on just simple manual mode, so you can kind of see how everything would move, how smooth everything is. You'll see how the ram comes down. You have a quick approach, a slow forming. You can go back and forth between your foot pedal and your hand pedal. Really nice stuff. So we'll start off here. We've got our foot pedal. We've got a quick approach, slow forming, and a quick retreat. So you have your full cycle there. You can see the back gauge moves up to our next step. You take a walk around the brake here. I'll run this so you can just see how smooth everything is. Very popular controller. It's the ER70. You can get parts for the machine, anything you need. All right, another great feature before I move on to our next step is just to show you here we have a hydraulic clamping. So your die clamping, rather than here's where your dies would usually clamp into, you have a hydraulic die clamping system. And what that's going to do is open and close, so you can just put your die in, you push the button, it's going to lock it in. Otherwise, you'd have to run down the entire way and tighten every single one. So if you're changing a lot of tools, it makes it really quick and easy. I'm going to go ahead and switch to our second feature here, which is palm buttons. And then you have your foot for forming. Once again, palm, quick approach. Your foot for forming, slow form, and a quick retreat. Last we have just our palms here, or our foot. Just our foot, kind of a slow inching down. So if you wanted to put a lot of different dies on here, like unipunch tooling, you wanted to punch a bunch of holes out, this would be really good. You get right down to where you need to be. You can see a lot of control on this brake. Now, if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you're looking for new or used, if you have something to trade in, we'd love to help you out. We love machinery. We get it from everywhere we can. If you have any in your plant, give us a call. 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options, our inventory and videos at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.